In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a company page on LinkedIn, a fantastic tool to enhance your business's online presence and connect with a broader professional audience. To start this journey of elevating your business visibility, let's first head over to the LinkedIn login page. Here, you'll need to log in using the credentials linked to your LinkedIn account. Enter your email address and your password. If you've previously set up your account using Google, Apple, or Microsoft, feel free to use these options to sign in, which can be pretty handy if you find yourself struggling to recall your LinkedIn password. Once you've entered your information, you'll proceed by clicking the Sign In button. This will take you directly into your profile. An important point to note here is the additional security step that LinkedIn offers called two-factor authentication. Should you have this feature activated, the platform might prompt you to confirm your identity by sending a verification code to your registered phone number. Simply key in the provided code to proceed. Now that you're on your LinkedIn homepage, you'll want to locate the For Business icon. It's situated at the top right corner and appears as a grid icon. A quick click on this grid icon will open up a drop-down menu that hosts a variety of LinkedIn's business features. From this menu, look for and select the Create a Company Page option, which will then initiate the setup process. At this point, LinkedIn will prompt you to choose the type of page you'd like to create. Whether it's for a small business, a medium to large organization, or even an educational institution, pick the option that best suits your needs. It's crucial to understand that LinkedIn has specific conditions before you can proceed with creating a company page. One of which is having a sufficient number of connections in your LinkedIn network. It's a helpful reminder to continue expanding your professional network to leverage the full range of benefits LinkedIn offers. By following these simple steps, you now know the process of creating a company page on LinkedIn. With your new page up and running, you're in a great position to showcase your brand, engage with your audience, and cultivate meaningful professional relationships. Remember, your LinkedIn company page is a gateway to expanding your reach and making impactful connections in the business world. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of your LinkedIn experience.